Hi you guys, and welcome back. My name is Ranelle. This is Budget for 5. We used to be a family of 5. Just recently we became a family of 6, and we are a one-income family. This is a low-income budget. My fiance does get paid bi-weekly, and so yeah. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna pull up my budget really quick. My budget's right here. I did want to quickly go over it so we know what bills we're stuffing. So these are my bills and their amounts, and then my expenses that I will be stuffing. I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side so I have it. But yeah, if you missed my budget with me, that was in the last video. I explained like why I stuff certain things and where my finances are. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. I will have that in the description bar down below. So as you can see, I only have my one cash binder, and that's because I am unable to stuff my sinking funds binder, but that's okay because as long as my bills are paid, that's my priority right now. This isn't my usual setup that you guys know. I did just recently have surgery. I had my tubes removed, so no more babies. And I did just have my 4th daughter. I have 4 girls. They're 6, 3, 1, and 2 months. So I'm an exhausted mom. But my budget has been absolute crap, and I am ready to get back on track. I am ready to take my finances seriously and get out of debt. We have lots of exciting news that I want to share with you guys in today's video about our income and our plans. So I'm excited to share that. But let's start out with counting this first. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Here, this bothers me. Let me fix this all first. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. 1,001, 2, 3, 100, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, 530, 535. Let me rearrange this really quick. So 535, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So we have $1,551 that we are cash stuffing today. Normally I have my cash divider, but currently that's in my daughter's bedroom / my office, and she's napping, so we're not gonna be waking her up for that. Some of my envelopes, you guys, are still broken. I need to make myself some new ones. Sorry, you guys, my daughter was screaming in the background. So I did already save this from the previous paycheck towards my rent. My rent is $1,600, so let's count how much we have. We have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 596, which means we will be adding $1,004. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. Okay, and $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we should have 1,600. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $1,600. And I do have to pay this on Monday. Today is Saturday. So because it's broken and I don't want any money to fall out, I just leave this here so that way it can't fall out. Phone does not need anything. I did already pay that. It was $253 and that's paid. My car insurance is already paid. That's not due till November 24th, so we're good on that. Credit One, I did already pay the $40 minimum payment, last paycheck. Capital One is due at the end of the month and it is $40 and I will pay for that next paycheck. Internet is due and it's $104, so 104, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Subscriptions is not due. It's due at the beginning of every month, but I don't actually have an envelope for this and I need to go get it next time, but I do own I do have a loan and I just need to pay it off. It's $132, so I'm gonna grab that now and I'm just gonna put it in subscriptions, but in the back, so I remember to pay that. So I'm gonna grab my 120, 30, 31, and 32. So 100, 120, 130, 131, 132. Okay. Utilities are not due until the end of the month. I did already pay my electric and my water bill, so that is done. I will owe my next water bill on November 25th, and then my next electric bill is beginning of December. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to my cash expenses. So gas, we'll be getting $50. Okay, 50. Eating out was not getting anything. Necessities, we'll be getting $100 because I need to get diapers and stuff. So $100 in necessities. And if you guys don't know this isn't sponsored or anything, but I didn't know this until recently. I used to go to like Walmart for my necessities because they tend to be cheaper, like toilet paper. But Target actually does a deal that if you like spend $100 on baby products, which is easy for me to do because of diapers are expensive, they give you a $20 gift card. Now you can't use that $20 when you're purchasing it, like you can't use it and then pay for it, but it helps you the next time you need necessities. So for instance, like if I'll do diapers, right, I'll get the card and then I'll separate on the checkout like the next purchase, and it'll be like shampoo, things like that. And I'll actually use that gift card then to pay for that stuff. So I don't have to, because I'm low income, you know, I need every little bit of help I can get. And I actually currently already have a $15 gift card from the last time I did that. Sometimes it's $10, sometimes it's $15, sometimes it's $20. And they do it more for than just diapers. They do household items. So like laundry soap, toilet paper, paper towels, dish soap, things like that. If you buy that there, they'll give you gift cards if you spend that money. So just an idea. And I also do Fetch Rewards. If you don't know what Fetch Rewards is, I feel like everyone knows what it is, and most people already have their Fetch Rewards accounts. I will leave my code right here on the screen, but I also put it down in the description bar. If you use it, it's an app where you scan your receipts. When you scan your receipts, you receive points, and those points then turn into gift cards. You can use those gift cards towards Christmas. You can use those gift cards towards birthdays. You can use them just because you want them. You know, you can cash them in for like a date night. They go to restaurants. They have so many places that you can do it. Amazon, tons. So I will have that linked down below, my Fetch Rewards, because if you use my code, I get points and you get points as soon as you scan your first receipt. So yeah, I think so far I've received $85 in gift cards on there, and all I do is scan my receipts. The app's completely free. Everything's free. You just scan your receipts. So yeah, but anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys about that. Groceries is going to be getting $50 per usual. I did talk about this in my last video, but I do receive WIC. If you don't know what WIC is, it's pretty much like state assistance for if you're a low income family or if you're on Medicaid, you qualify, and they help out with like milk and eggs and bread, peanut butter, certain cereals, just like the basic things that you would need, and they help pay for that. They only give you like a certain amount every month for each that you can do, but I do have that assistance because we are a family of 6 with 1 income. I do need every little bit of help I can get, and I do also receive food stamps, SNAP benefits, whatever you want to call it. I get it once a month on the 20th of every month, and I get about $470, but that's because, again, we are a family of 6. It's still not enough to cover our groceries, but it does help us. And so I put $50 a week. So $50 a week plus that, we spend $670 of groceries a month, which ends up working out pretty well for us. I'm going to start meal planning and actually cooking like inexpensive big family meals that are healthy too. So I'm happy to like share some of that stuff with you. If you're interested, comment down below if you're interested in seeing that, because goes into budgeting. It talks about like grocery shopping. How am I only using $50 a week? Because I go grocery shopping once a month with my food stamps. That pays for all of my meat and like my big bulk snack foods. So like I get like Nutri-Grain bars for the girls, like chocolate milk powder. Like I'll get like a big box of chip things. I'll do like some sodas, and then I'll do like onions on there, fruit like blueberries, things like that. And then I use my $50 a week to pay for like if I'm gonna get like asparagus that night or a salad to go with dinner, and like potatoes, you know, like this stuff pays for what's gonna go with the meat, like sauce, things like that. So I'm more than happy to share that with you guys. If you're interested, let me know in the comments down below. I don't know if you guys are, but I'm so willing to share that and how much I spend at the grocery stores and what that's like for us. This is my dog Luna. She actually doesn't need anything. She has her food and everything that she needs, so she's not getting any money, but I am finally getting money. This is my birthday month. I'll be turning 25 on the 18th. So exciting and also kind of depressing. I feel like 25 is the last really good birthday to look forward to, only because car insurance goes down and you can finally rent a car if you need to. But I'm gonna be renting a car if I need to. I mean, honestly, it's nice to not be charged that extra fee, and we actually can get a car if we take a trip or something, so it's just nice. I am getting my hair cut done. I haven't actually cut my hair in over 2 years. So I am getting $63. My appointment is $60, and I'm gonna tip just a couple dollars because I don't have a lot. So, but I am finally getting my hair trimmed and cut. I'm excited about that. I'm doing that on November 10th before my birthday. So, all right, so here is my binder, and then I've got 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, $63 for my haircut. My hubby, my fiance, is not getting anything. He had $45 that he already took out of his paycheck, so yeah. Snowball though, this is going to snowball. I don't even know how much is here. This is some tip money and just a little bit of extra money, so that's what we're using it for. So we have 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, $48 is going to snowball, and I will be putting this on our smallest card balance. And I do want to do an updated debt video. I think the last video I did, I was still $70,000 in debt, and I'm not that anymore. We've made some serious progress, and I want to do that video. Let me know if you guys want to see an updated. I feel like I did it a year ago, so I'm happy to do that. But yeah, this is going to snowball. Car maintenance isn't getting anything, and beauty is not getting anything, or clothes. So that is going to do it. I do have some change to add. Let me go ahead and shut this. Okay, so this is my change jar. It's actually super heavy. I've been saving this since October of 2019, won since I started my budgeting journey, and I've decided to save it until Christmas. So in the beginning of December, I'm going to roll this, and I'll do a video. I'm going to roll this and take it to the bank and use it towards Christmas for us this year, because we don't really have a lot of money for Christmas this year. I haven't been able to save ahead, so we literally have nothing saved except for this. My fiance luckily is going to be getting 3 paychecks in the month of December, and so we are using one of those paychecks towards Christmas and also towards bills. Obviously we're going to have expenses, but we are going to be using it towards bills. This is the change from my fiance's like tips at work. So I am adding this to here. Yay. And I actually do have more change from the car. As soon as we clean out our car, I will be adding more to this. But yeah, so let me know if you guys have enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below again if you want to see how I budget my groceries and what inexpensive meals I do cook. I'm more than willing to show that. I would love to show that, because I feel like that's a struggle. A lot of people just buy like fast food and eat out, because honestly, sometimes eating at like McDonald's for our family is cheaper than cooking a meal, because meat is so expensive. And so sometimes we do that when we really don't have it, because with the app you can get like 20% off. And so sometimes we do that because all of our food comes out to like $17 for a family of 6, which honestly is pretty good. So I get eating out sometimes, especially with inflation right now and everything being so expensive at the grocery stores. But I've had to learn some cheap meals that are filling for my family. I have picky eaters in my house, so I always have to like accommodate that. But yeah, let me know if you want to see that, and I will see you guys in my next video. I think my next video, I'm going to do my either my debt update or my like an updated like cash expense, like where I've spent my money in the last 3 months, and just I need to do that anyway. So I need to know where my money went and getting prepared for like this Christmas and planning our bills this Christmas. So that might be a video. Let me know what you guys would like to see. I may do a poll, so check out my Instagram, follow me over there, and because I'll probably put it on my stories there. I'm on my Instagram stories so much more than I am like on YouTube or on TikTok or anything like that. But all of my socials will be linked down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as soon as we hit 1,500 here on my YouTube channel, I will be doing a giveaway, so look out for that. I'm super excited to reach that goal. That's amazing. It's halfway to 2,000. I can't even believe it. I've missed you guys so much. If you've made it this far, thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.